Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday, July the 5th. The time is around 12:45 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of Litecoin. This is a 2-hour time frame. We can see we ended with 2 here in the minor degree and now has started with 3 higher. Now with 3 should be subdivided into another 5 waves. So you got this 1 and 2 in the minute degree, and then now looking for a nest. So 1 2 1 2. This could also be 1 2 3 4, but then I think this one here is a little bit short, so it could be possible that this is actually a nest 1 2 1 2. So that means this is one of 3 of 3. Okay, so now we are doing this pullback here. Can clearly see this is the first and the second swing, so we're looking for 3 swing down into possible support, short-term support zone here between 93.70 99.82, and if we assume we can continue to go down from here and it doesn't, starts to rally from here, then this is the support zone in the short term. From here we can either go to new high in with 3 of 3, or it could at least do some sort of reaction in 3 ways from this area here. Okay, and I think the invalidation level remains to be in the previous low. As long as this pivot is still holding, then we can continue to see for the upside, and this is sort of the more precise possible zone of the support. The invalidation level is more of how the structure is bullish as long as it stays above this area here at this level. Okay, so zooming out a little bit in the Litecoin, if we take a look here on the daily, now we can see Litecoin broke to new high. I mean, if you look at it from the June low, June 2022, you continue to see a high, and just recently broke to new high above all this previous peak over here and over here. So that means this is telling us this is a bullish market and it wants to continue higher. And you can also see here we got this pretty nice looking impulsive rally from here. So any pullback therefore should continue to find support in 3 swing or in 7 swing, with the first 3 swing going to be going to reach here. If we continue to go down, this is a possible short-term support zone. Okay, so that's the update here, and as always, if you want to get more updates on cryptos, indices or stocks, Forex, commodities, we do have for the index trial. The link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.